Hey guys, Peter from Restoration Design here to talk to you about our 1970 BMW 2002 and some of the progress that we've made. So let's have a look around the back end of this. So as you can see, we've got two new panels in here, the gas tank support and our spare tire well. Those parts went in actually very nicely. There was minimal modifications that needed to be done, some flattening out on the one side and some tapping in the corners to get them to meet the fender. So those are really nice panels. These part numbers are BMW 420. And that will get you the entire rear trunk panel, or you can buy them in halves. So it'd be a BMW 420 left that gets you the spare tire well, or the BMW 420R, and that will be your gas tank support. We did some work on this rear valence panel. We just did a small section right here. There was some corrosion behind the bumper mounts. You can see right here as well. Same kind of corrosion, but we're just gonna do a square patch replacement there. This panel fits actually very nice as well. No modification was needed on this end. It fit really nice. So in order for us to replace the back side of this valence panel, we removed our bumper mount, and then we could take that off and clean up any corrosion on the mount. And then we replaced the sheet metal for the valence panel and then reinstalled our bumper mount here. We're gonna have to do the same on this side, so we're just gonna grind out our MIG welding right here from the factory, clean that piece up, and then reinstall it after our new piece is in. We've also done a bit of extra welding right here. We're gonna do the same on the driver's side. That just adds a little bit more structural rigidity that wasn't there from the factory. Cleans it up a little bit as well.